Hey, Dexter, want to have a competition over your house?
Okay, what's it about?
Adverbs.
Oh no, I'm doomed.
Oh, yeah, you are. Okay, let's get the judge. Crow.
I'm a crow. I'm the judge. Okay, who's going first?
You will, Dexter.
Well, lovely? Correct.
Slowly.
Correct. Counted?
Cautiously?
Correct.
Yes.
Loved? Wrong.
Artistically?
Correct. Shared? Wrong.
Frequent? Bumped?
That's wrong.
What? Frequently?
No, bumped is wrong.
Oh.
Quietly? Correct.
Frequently?
Correct. Cared?
Um,
Wrong.
Gracefully?
Correct. Now, each of you, well, first of all, you got 4 wrong, and you got 1 wrong. So, the winner is Squirrel.
You mean?
You get the cave. Nutty, you get the cave.
Yay! Dragon, you're about to meet your doom.